Hi, I want to touch briefly on how we can use 3D printing as an instructional aid, meaning how we as teachers can make our own models and use 3D printing to help deliver our instruction, and why we would do that. First, it sparks interest and creates enthusiasm. Our students may be digital natives, but 3D printing is still fascinating for them. Think about the difference between looking at pictures of fossils and being able to hold and examine a whole array of them. Imagine the engagement when students can actually see a visual representation of a math equation. These are some of the things that creating 3D printing models on our own we can use to help engage our students. It also creates clearer connections. 3D models can help students understand complex systems and abstract ideas. It's especially useful for visual learners. For example, to teach base 10 conversions, a student teacher created 3D models of louse that increased in size by increments of tens, hundreds, and thousands. He was able to then use these to help students understand the difference in base 10 conversions. And finally, it also can encourage student ownership over their own learning. 3D printing gives students the capability to take charge of their inquiry. It creates the capacity to demonstrate the answers to complex questions in a tangible way. For example, a class can design and print models of bridges in order to create the best version to solve a transportation problem. And this student ownership will then bring us to the next portion of this professional development where we talk about project-based learning. Thank you.